Oh, that's most fucking water. No, it's not. I'm not even halfway yet. Not even halfway yet. And really, I call this a quarter of the way for me, because I walk the walk and then back again. Right. That's what I've done every day for about 2 years. I'll stop for a while. I won't go into that, but I'm back doing it again. Just slowly breaking my way into a day a week at first, and it'll be within reason, not 7 days a week, but about 4 or 5 days a week. The old tree, burnt out tree, which is still alive and doing well. Been through all sorts, that is. The old oak. I've got to try and explain to people. Brought my bike with me, but that's just a ride here from the train station. But I'll walk it, see? I'll walk the bike. Oh, it's pools here. Hold on. Oh. Maize fields. Now, to the right earlier, I was further up the hill, I should have pointed out that Crouch. Oh, what's it called now? River Crouch? Yeah. That's that would have been in view if I'd focused in, zoomed in. It's not far from me, so it's as a crow flies. I'm not doing a lot of narration because purposes are, look, there's plenty of brambles here, and there's a lot more than this. And in that field over there, which is up behind that tree, the apex field, there's so many sloneberry bushes, it's just untrue, you know. It has to go to waste, really. Blackberries, there's loads and loads of bramble bushes, just random places. You can cut through that way to that field if you like, but I'm going alongside the field, and we'll come back through that way, which runs parallel with the field that I'm going to walk through this way. But this cool, what I've just done, there's other routes you can take which bring you to this point. Alright, I'm going to show you more of this walk in my next video, which I don't want to do today because I need to get a selfie stick, and it's awkward trying to wheel the bike along and do this at the same time. And I might narrate it a little bit better, just a little bit more information about the place. So Plumberow Mount in Hockley, I'll put it in the description, tells you where it is. To my mind, it's one of the best walks ever. If you want a kind of miniature but steeper version, or around the same, steeper but same height, and Plumberow Mount, it's neighbouring, but this is the one, and that'll be my hometown one, you know, in Rayleigh. This is neighbouring town, it's Rayleigh, and there's some quite strange, mysterious history to this place. So the dome that we walked, the grass mound that we walked past earlier in this video, was actually our vantage point, and when we had that heat wave, you know, you can see in this field especially over the side of me, you can see where all the medieval buildings once were. You know, they show up in the grass, the foundations sort of thing, or where they were. You know, it's amazing. They're mostly round houses, you know, little round houses, much like a Dutch cottage style. So I love you and leave you now. I'll upload this to YouTube, which you'll be seeing this week. That is your main walk of Plumberow Mount. There's lots of different ways of getting to this point, and you'd have to come here to see it. but I might record all my different ways. I might start doing that from tomorrow, and then I'll show you the rest of the walk from this point as well another day, and that'll be going further up there when it changes into the Apex sports field to the left of me, and then it goes to another place called Marylands or Woods, where a farmhouse once stood, but it turned it into like a nature reserve sort of thing. Okay, over and out.